Pricing and tariff opportunities. ROI for presenter offers transparent pricing with no hidden fees. Regardless of whether you're an individual presenter, educator, business owner, or a part of a larger organization, ROI for presenter has a range of tariff plans crafted to enhance your engagement and streamline your business processes. We offer 4 subscription types: free, professional, business, and enterprise. These plans differ in the number of presentations, limits on video avatar and link generation, branding and customization options, and availability of integrations. Our free plan includes all the basic features and remains free forever. The free plan is suitable for beginners who need to do presentations from time to time. It offers limited presenter and lead generation features, while still allowing you to participate in live chat and receive notifications of listener activity. It is a good choice for personal projects if you don't need advanced features such as calendar and CRM integrations, profound analytics, branding, custom domain, and other. Professional plan ideal for freelancers, educators, journalists, bloggers, coaches, and small businesses. The Pro plan offers more uploaded presentations, more links generated per month, ability to integrate your calendars, and profound analytics to increase audience engagement. This plan includes 40 credits for avatar generation, so you get up to 10 minutes of AI-generated video. Business plan ideal for growing businesses and teams in marketing, sales, startups, and online stores. The business plan is optimal for medium-sized companies focused on business growth and its development. Plan offers up to 5 presenters in company account, integration with CRM and other services, profound analytics, branding options, unlimited session time, and a whole 100 credits for video avatar generation. The plan also includes up to 100 uploaded presentations, up to 5,000 generated links per month, ability to embed links in presentations, ability to download your presentations, 50 simultaneous listeners, and priority support. Enterprise plan. The Enterprise plan is a solution for large companies and organizations that need to seamlessly manage a large number of presentations. It provides unlimited session lengths and allows you to connect a more number of one-time listeners. You choose how many number of uploaded presentations, generated links, and credits for avatar generation you need. And a personal manager will help you to get the maximum out of the service in any situation.